Stocks are a great investment that can yield a large profit. Antiquities collecting might be another substantial investment. Property markets will be thriving in several areas from now. It is time to think about where you want to invest your money for future growth. People who are extremely wealthy have a different perspective on investments. They look for huge parcels of land that can be used for infrastructure and affordable homes when they identify a housing problem, rather than simply searching to purchase a home. Having your possessions assessed and insured can help you increase your net worth. They are putting together a financial profile in preparation for investing. Investing in antiques and jewelry is a terrific method to make a long-term investment. What you invest in now may seem strange now, but the super rich do not buy automobiles and material stuff. They're looking for Cabbage Patch dolls and coins. However, many wealthy people would opt to invest in the best assets for the future with a long-term perspective. They have distinct perspectives on topics like furniture, if an object is mass-produced or handcrafted, the age of the work, all for various reasons. Antique furniture is an example of this. These artifacts are rare and well-crafted. The durability of antiques has attracted new collectors. Antique furniture will be around for decades. This will provide antique collectors with a steady source of cash. Antique collecting can also be done passively by purchasing the best resources to make your home the home of the future. Start a side business to make extra money and wealth if you need additional money to get started. Due to strong demand, consumers are looking for novelty things and are willing to pay premium rates. Real estate will be a very profitable investment, and there will be an overabundance of houses that will no longer be occupied, resulting in a property sell-off. Homes can bring in a lot of money for their owners. Many will be overlooked by the media and have poor selling prices. The majority will have a high resale value. Let us not forget about home development and remodeling. Remodeling your home or apartment not only adds weight, but it can also boost your income. Remodeling a home to meet your demands raises the value of the property. It may appear that the property market will expand during the next year or two. Several real estate markets are expected to perform well long. As of now, the entire real estate market is still rising. There have been encouraging indicators in recent months, and we may be in for a boom in the future. Specific market sectors will gain value in the coming year, but no one can predict with precision. Another best thing to invest in is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has come to stay. Proper research is needed in this area to produce high interest on whatever that is invested. There have been numerous occasions where individuals joined the market on credit, using mortgages and loans to acquire, only to lose money due to this irrational, emotion-driven style of investing. The golden rule of investing applies here, which states that one should not invest money that they cannot afford to lose. The fact that cryptocurrencies have become more accessible is a huge step forward, but keep in mind that the sector is still in its early stages. Because volatility carries the same dangers as stock trading, one should invest in cryptocurrencies prudently, just as one would invest anyplace else. It can be highly profitable and, perhaps, the way to early retirement as long as rationality guides investment activities. Take the step to action and keep on trying till you win. Let's meet at Financial Freedom Center. Give us a like and we will see you in the next video.